Hello, Sprite. The wee head bob. There's a beautiful little sky. Hello there, Sparks. Han. Yep, they've all got names. Except for some of the new chicks, they've not got theirs yet, because I want people to give them names. But look at my little collection of budgies, eh? Look at them. What are you doing down here? You've been in for a bath as well, haven't you? Oh, hello. Oh, someone really likes the camera. I'm starting to figure out who's a boy and who's a girl now, because the girls are very interested in this coconut, so they want to nest inside it, so which is fine. Which is fine, it's what they do. Isn't that right? Hey. Someone's had a bath. They keep jumping in the water, so I need to buy them a nice new bath. Hello. That's the mum and dad there. Oh, and away back in. Yeah, everyone's doing rather well today.